Dear Dr. Jose Rizal, today we speak to you not from the pages of history books but from the hearts of the youth you once believed in. You once said the youth is the hope motherland. Those words continue to echo through time. They are not just a quote, they are a challenge, a call, a promise. You believe in the young. You saw beyond your generation, beyond war, oppression, and pain, and you place your hope in us. We are that youth now, Dr. Rizal. We walk in a world of fast change and uncertain times. We face battles you may never have imagined. Poverty, misinformation, division, even hopelessness. But in the middle of all, that your voice reminds us we were meant for more. You remind us that being young is not just about age, it is about courage, responsibility, and vision. You inspire us to learn with purpose, to speak with truth, to lead with compassion, to serve with love. We are not perfect, but we are trying every day. We rise in our classrooms, in our communities, online and offline, to make a difference no matter how small. Thank you for believing in us. Before we were even born, thank you for showing us that true change begins with thinking, with dreaming, and with loving this country with all of our heart. And now we will say this with pride. We are the youth, we are your legacy, we are the hope, still alive, still burning, and still fighting. For our beloved Pilipinas, maraming salamat, Dr. Jose Rizal.